Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the 3 simple steps to make your first sale with affiliate marketing. If you're ready to dive in, hit that subscribe button below so you never miss out on our valuable tips and tricks. Step 1. Choose a niche. Find something you're passionate about, like health, tech, or fashion. This will keep you motivated throughout the journey. Step 2. Select the right product. Look for products that align with your chosen niche. Quality and relevance are key here. Your audience's trust matters. Step 3. Create compelling content. Share valuable insights, tutorials, or reviews about the product. Connect with your audience, and always be authentic. There you have it, folks. Follow these 3 simple steps, and you'll be on your way to that first affiliate sale. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful.